Hi, welcome to the Pentart Playbook. This is where I'm going to show you all about the different Pentart products. Now, each month, I'm going to break it down into different categories, and I'm going to show you a product, how to use it, what it is, and even include some pro tips along the way. I'm so glad you are here. I'm Shannon, and I am from Pick and Booth Vintage. Let's get started. Acrylic primer comes in both the 230 milliliters and the 100 milliliters. This is your go-to primer for surfaces for better adhesion for either decoupage, paint, or even those little misting sprays. It's water-based, it's super easy to use, easy cleanup, and it's perfect for all of your basic project needs for the primer. How to use the acrylic primer. First thing you need to do is you need to make sure that you stir it well. Then you're going to apply it to your clean piece. You can either use a soft bristle brush, you can use a sponge, whatever way you want to put it on. Just keep in mind that you don't want to leave brush strokes. So my suggestion is to use a soft bristle brush and keep going over it until you get rid of the lines, the brushstroke lines, because they will dry in there if you don't get rid of them. Okay, and then you let it dry thoroughly before you paint. Now this one dries fairly quick, which is nice, but you can also use your heat gun. Some tips, you can use more than one coat if you want. Generally not needed. When I decoupage, I generally put on just one coat, but if I feel like I want more coverage, then I go ahead and I put two on. You can lightly sand this also when it dries, so that way you can get a nice smooth surface if that's what you need. If you're doing decoupage, you really don't need to do that. But if you're looking for a smooth surface underneath your paint, you can give it a light sanding.